about to go into the bowl or what?
On my phone.
I think he's being serious about this. Are you getting with this bike?
No, not with this one.
You down for that?
Yeah.
You sure don't hit?
That one will probably hit. Man, that's
Rubbing. Oh, professionale. Professionale. We got a professionale. Jump out. Huh? Jump out. Wow. It's scary. So I was coming that right. I went into the middle one. I went in, boom. Came out.
around, comes out.
I'm about to go into this one right here. The kid slides from where I jumped out. So I run his ass over and I fall all the way in. Like boom. Now I'm scared. Like my knees are shaky. Wanna try with this one? Huh? Look here.
Huh?
Look here, that fall may fuck shit up. Fuck BMX. What? This is a lighter bike.
Mine is lighter.
Well, I mean, smaller than.
It's different.
Nah, I they're the same weight.
I don't know.
Yeah, my bike is like same weight. I think I got that because I was playing.
I should catch
You got it. Where? Yeah, you're going far. Oh shit. Come back! Can't get up from here. Anyways. Just trying out this BMX shit. Since I don't work Mondays. Ah, fuck. I don't know. How to fade a fixie Freestyle. And an E92 right here, look at that. Thing. This is legitness.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
For the 22s, we're
What the fuck?
Some 3D wheels
What the
right there.
fuck? What the fuck?
You need some of those on your BMW.
What the fuck?
Then Miguel fucked up his back, or his neck.
It feels like when you go to sleep like that.
Did I lock that car? I think I did.
I just took some mileage with us. Got some bitch from Flawless.
Miguel's car is leaking oil, so he needs to change the oil filter gasket. It's leaking from there, so we're about to show you how to do this shit. It's the easiest shit ever. Wait, oh, you got it. Oh yeah, here we go. Why is your car knocking?
Every car does that.
Nah, mine doesn't do that. It's a lie.
Every 90 does that. Every single N of N in the world does that.
Looks like you're gonna need a new engine.
Maybe.
Okay. It's the easiest shake. Oh. That's the easiest shake you do. Take this off. Boom, 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 boom. Done.
Boom, boom, boom. Let's show the folks of YouTube how it's done.
Let's show them the boom, boom, boom. Done.
Boom, boom, boom. First off, you take off your belt.
First off, you take off your belt.
Ah, shit, this is the wrong kind of belt.
That's the kind of one.
Wrong way.
How come so tight?
So it wouldn't leak. This isn't gonna work.
Wrong belt.
Wrong belt. Wrong belt.
Doesn't work. We failed.
I don't have the right belt on.
Alright, second try will be just call your friend, the buff guy, and you'll do it for yourself. Oh, this is hard. I don't got a belt on.
Third try.
Third try.
Garage full of tools. Only tool missing
Got the biggest shit you can cook.
is the oil filter housing tool. Why is it missing? I had one, but I also worked at Pep Boys, and some other fucking dickhead there stole it. Shout out Pep Boys, where everything is terrible. Never take part of Pep Boys. Fuck. I'm gonna fuck this shit up. Do they oversee sell at Pep Boys? They sure do.
You done fucked up, boy.
Do they even train their techs? No, they don't. I came in without any formal training.
What about without the
I don't want to fuck it up that much. Some smart ass on YouTube is gonna be like, "Why you always fucking it up? It's not the right tool." It's too tight.
bro? What time is the Hulk? Well, it's already fucked up, man. It doesn't matter anymore. What about the not so big ones?
No, you need bigger circles. It's not fun, man.
Don't put these on your phone. You get addicted to it.
You grab your handy dandy iPhone charger.
You grab your iPhone charger. No. Random 3, 3 more. Anyways. Don't get these. Because you need to get used to them. They're pretty cool. You be driving. Imagine you're driving.
Oh, you don't use your phone while
and then you shift.
Got it.
Oh, you got it. Master mechanic. 10 years of Pep Boy training.
Pep Boys doesn't train you. They send you in some bullshit ass classes I never even went to.
Miguels being a whistleblower. He said, don't take your car to Pep Boys.
Hell
Don't do shit there.
First of all, you're gonna get oversold for some filters you don't need.
Oversold on filters you don't need.
That's just something that always happens. And then after you buy filters you didn't even fucking need, they probably won't even install them. So now you've got oil filters that you didn't need, that didn't get put on. And then lastly,
What are you getting the wrong filters for, man? Now we gotta make another AutoZone run.
easiest way to do this? You take a blade and you just cut them off. Unless you have a really small screwdriver. Shout out to my boy, the street racer Navarro.
Public announcement. Don't race in the US. My friend just got caught and he got his car impounded, he got his license suspended, and he went to jail. And he had to pay to get bailed out.
And he got raped.
And he got raped. He dropped the soap a couple times in one day.
If you knew that, well, you know that once he got there, he has to take a shower, grab the soap, wha, launched it at the ground. Wha.
So always make sure to take all your races to the streets of Mexico where you don't get caught. Alright, give this video 1 like and Miguel agrees to let me have his bike rack. Right, 1 like?
1 like, that's all it takes.
Yeah, bro, I only have 49 subscribers. That's all I can get right now.
Tony's gonna go on there and like it.
Okay, give me
Okay, look.
10 likes.
10 likes?
10 likes.
5 dislikes, he owes me 40 bucks. Tony, Juan, who else watches this shit? All those folks, we can just split the 40
No,
bucks.
give me 10 likes
We can split
and I
them.
get a
We can split them
free
if we go
bike rack
nowadays.
and we can go to the skate park all the time.
Let's get some dislikes going.
I'm out of battery, bro. This vlog is done right now. Peace.